Ideally suited for industrial process control applications, our 7E range of temperature controllers are one of the most flexible and cost-effective temperature controllers that you may come across in the market. Working in either a simple on-off mode, or in a time-proportional mode, these controllers can be used in very wide variety of applications where either heating or cooling control may be required. They can be configured to run in the heat control mode, and used in applications like furnaces, boilers, FFS machines, pouch making machines, injection molding machines etc. Or they can even be configured in the cool control mode, and used in cold storage, chillers and refrigeration plants. Thanks to the use of advanced microprocessors, they can be easily configured within a few minutes, using just the front panel push buttons, and there are no presets, jumpers or potentiometers. A very high accuracy is guaranteed, thanks to the use of precision analog to digital converters, and advanced microprocessors that run floating point arithmetics. For sensor linearization, thermocouple sensors are linearized using inverse Nist polynomials, and RTDs are linearized using Steinhart-Hart equation. All commonly used sensors like the RTD PT100, both the DIN and JIS versions, Nickel 120, and thermocouples like J, K, E and T-type are supported. When using the PT100 sensor, the display and set point resolution can be increased to 0.1 degrees centigrade. An important safety feature is the programmable set point limits. The range of the set point, that is, the maximum value to which the set point can be set and the minimum value to which the set point can be set, are individually adjustable in the configuration. Adjustable on persistence time and off persistence time are one of the powerful features available in these controllers. As the name suggests, on persistence time is the minimum amount of time that the output will be forced to stay on, once the controller action decides to put the output on. Similarly, off persistence time corresponds to the minimum amount of time the output will be forced to stay off. These settings, along with the adjustable hysteresis in the on-off control mode, could be used for example when using gas-fired burners or cooling compressors, which may get damaged if they are turned on and off in quick succession. Overshoot protection feature is also available. Another powerful feature that is available in the proportional control mode is the minimum duty clamp and the maximum duty clamp. These settings safeguard against very small output on and off times respectively. Of course, the user can adjust the cycle time, process band and reset settings. Oh yes. There is a 2-level password protected lock that can be used to prevent unauthorized tampering of the settings. In the 7E range we have the 7E2X series, which are dual display, and the 7EX series, which are with single displays. 7EX series consists of the models 7E1, 7E2 and 7E3, which are 1 output, 2 output and 3 output models respectively with single displays. 7E2X series consists of the models 7E21, 7E22 and 7E23, which are 1 output, 2 output and 3 output models respectively with dual displays. Each model is available in different DIN standard sizes of 96 x 96 mm, 96 x 48 mm, 72 x 72 mm and 48 x 48 mm. For more details and technical specifications, please visit our website www.tapman.in.